to a new series on this channel. Yes, this is actually called StarBound, and it's a really funny game. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going. It's like a bit of a story here. Um, yeah, sure. Reboot the system. What the heck? Yes, I got the excavation mode. Okay. So failure you get. Okay. Beat are rude. Okay, so this is like a machete, I guess. And then I need that and that. So great! Um, and I hope. Okay. So I guess I. Oh, look at that little bunny! Oh, you are so cute. I'm going to get that pet sooner in the game. Yeah. Sooner in the game I will get that pet when I open the thing, the cockpit. When I open that, I will get my pet. So I'm lagging a bit. That's weird because this game isn't lagging. Oh no, no. Get back here, I'm not done with you. And I choose to be, I don't even know what this class is. It's not Ivan. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, but I made a really cute penguin. It's a boy, I think. Yeah, it is. Um, yeah, and I called it Division. Really wrong spelled, but yeah. No, 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 please, 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 okay? We can. Okay, just, you did. You did. Oh, a bridge. And I don't have double jumping because I have played really much StarBound lately because yeah I think it's real fun and I have a profile that is really good actually, and yeah, this profile is called Mr. Thunder, I think. Taking really long, and we want to make some bandage. Oh, already. I'm best. I'm the best. You know. Yeah. It's no. Yeah, I was going to say that I want to make some bandage because that's okay. I gotta grab that. In this game, it's really important. If you look here, my health it's going up. Um, so yeah, um, this is really a fun game actually. So you maybe can go and check it out yourself. It is on Steam. I think 120 or $12. No, not dollars, euro. Um, if I said 120, it's because that's on Swedish crowns. Yeah, so that's why I got a bit confused myself. So I'm trying to press forward 2 times. So yeah, it's really annoying. Um, yeah, I think it was to like make a bow or something. What was it? I can check after I get this freaking tree. So it was not getting wood as in Minecraft. Spread your wings. Okay, yeah, that's the big quests, I think. Complete. Yeah, that's just a big quest, so I don't want to make the big quest. Campfire? Nope. Maybe crafting table? Like that. Yes, it was. Uh, oh, um, yeah, I'm going to make a hunting bow because they are really good. Because you need meat, I think, a bit, not that much, or you need food. It's not important as it were before in this game. I think it got hungry really fast before. And I was like, you gotta play like 8 times, 8 hours. I meant in a row to get just a bit hungry. Maybe I haven't been hungry since the last update. Um, yeah. Oh right. I was going to make a bow. So yeah, here. Like that and that. I think I was supposed to make a rope, maybe. Were I? Ah, crap. Plant fibers you can be used to make fashion and bandage in case I get hurt. I should shop some Weinstein to obtain a plant fiber and turn them into bandage. But I have done that. Please. Do I have to do it again? Okay. Good. You are not mad, bro. I think it is. Oh no, it wasn't a structure down there. It was poison. Okay, that noise is really annoying when I get hurt. Yeah, it's really annoying. In progress. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, this is the bow. You can make it's not just this bow you can make in this game, so okay, stand still. Jump up like that. Yeah. And then we gotta place the fire down. Where are you? Yeah, there you are. That, and then put it in. Put it in. Like that. I ate it. Okay, so I'm going to craft a stone furnace. Okay, stay away. Stay away, okay? I said to you to stay away, but you didn't, okay? You were just a rude, okay? That's really hate. Okay. Like that. No. What the heck? It was to craft the furnace. Yeah, that's right. And how much stone is it to craft the furnace? I wonder. And you can, of course, not see it here. Okay, that's just great. Okay, I'm going to go back to my ship and do some organizing or like build a bit. and I will be back. Bye. Wait, look at that. I'm waving my hand. Woohoo. Okay, so I'm going to craft the furnace. I got it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, now I can smelt iron and copper. Yeah, which is really useful. And I did this little wink with my hand. My fingers, I meant. So yeah, but I'm going to end this video here. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you did, please hit that like button down below and show your support. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I want more subscribers. Just kidding. But yeah, bye. No, I gotta do that with my hand. Like that. Stop it. I don't want to hold in you. Stupid. Bye. Bye. Like, yeah. Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye.